Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your Mac's IP address in just 2 clicks. Let's get started. But if it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, click on the Apple logo icon on the top left corner of your screen. And here you will see an option System Settings. If you are using an older Mac, it would be like System Preferences. Just click on it. And you will see a pop-up window like this. In the left sidebar, you will see an option Network. Just click on it. And now you will see some another options here. And those are active network connections, for example, Wi-Fi, firewall, and so on. Just select the active network connection, for example, this Wi-Fi. And then click on this Details option. And here you have to choose TCP or IP. And here you will see your IP version 4 address, which is your Mac's local IP address. And that's it, you have found your Mac's IP address in just 2 clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum.